So, guys, and we're playing. So about that, if you heard that, we're gonna be playing a game of Subway Surfers. As you know, I did my Angry Birds today. Got to turn the screen around. And yeah, as you know, I was doing Angry Birds today. And now we are doing this. Yeah, doing Subway Surfers. So they've already done the New Year update on Subway Surfers, which I'm going to play. I've only got these two characters because I didn't start playing on this till like ages ago. So yeah. It's better if I hold it like this. For God's sake, adverts. Ronnie. I'm not going to speak that much because it's a gaming video. All you want to hear is the gaming, not my reactions. Now I find it much easier now because I do gameplay with a full screen. I will be downloading Minecraft Pocket Edition soon. This is my new tablet. In my other one, on my old tablet, I had unlocked all of the characters on this. Oh jeez, no. Could have died. Oh. Didn't win then. But I'm gonna win again. You'll never be able to catch me. Oh my god, that was rubbish. Bakey. No. That's a song now, guys. Bakey. No. Run without getting run over. No. Bick on that screen, guys. Bick. Sorry if the sound's a bit poor, guys. It's the app I've got that's doing it. That is really poor. It's good, but it makes the sound really poor. So sorry if my voice is really like smudgery, blurry, because it's not my fault, really. I just like collecting the coins. I don't just like running, I like collecting them. I'm good at collecting the coins. It's hard when you're filming. Oh, completed it. Like 3 letters in like one. Oh yeah, I get to unlock something. So we're running on a moving train, guys. A moving train. If you ever get the super fast boots on here, like, you see these boots, never ever go on top of a train. This is what will happen. You jump super high and then you just die. Super high. They're not there. But also, if you get the super fast speed, like, limit thing, don't go on a train because you just run and then you, like, fall over. This is hard now. It's getting complicated. Ooh, lighthouse. Wee, oh. Wee. Oh, jeez. Ah, for God's sake. Keep trying to save me for some reason. I'll get money. I have no key, so I can't like, escape. I might be able to escape when I die. This could be the last go, guys. Actually, I'm gonna have 4 goes. This is my 3rd. Yeah, sorry if the sound's really poor once again. Whee! Oh jeez, I would have crashed then. Whee! Whoa. What it means by 2 times star? It means every time you collect money or star, whatever you'd call it, it doubles it up. So say in the money it was like £4, it'd double it up to £8. Oh. I didn't have 1 key, I told you guys. Now next up we have time to play number 4. OMG, 5 now. Gonna do 5. It's my last go. I better win. I wasn't looking, that's why I died then. I'll still do gameplay like this, like tomorrow and stuff. I just won't be able to do videos anymore like all the time because I've got to go back to school on Wednesday. Oh yeah, I mean by this, it makes you go like, although it's double up your coins once again, it makes you go like super fast. And I did it on a train and literally as soon as I jumped on it, it just fell off, whacked my head against the top. Oh, collect it, collect it, collect it. Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh jeez, what am I doing? Oh my god. No. I thought I was going to die then. Thought I was going to die, but I never did. Because I never die. I could have collected that. Run, run, run. Oh my god, I'm just running and then landing at the back. There are some tiny trains in this game, guys. This is actually really hard for me now. Because I've got to go around like all the obstacles. Just don't blame me if I lose, guys, because it's actually quite hard. This game, I think, is one of the most hardest games that you can get on like a tablet. OMG, no! DR! Oh, yes, because I had 1 key, I think. Save myself. Maybe the other one was too expensive. Maybe the other one was like too expensive. So that. Save me again. Ah, I need 2 keys. I don't even have a key. This is the last time, guys. The last time. I don't even have a key. It's saying I do. It's saying I've got 0 keys. Yeah. Oh. Right. Thanks for watching this gameplay, guys, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye! Subscribe. See you guys.